Hi, Ryan Ahmad. Yeah, here is Kenjun Toys. Thanks for purchasing the AMG Mercedes-Benz remote control from us. Thank you. Now we are doing the demo for you. Yeah, you will receive a remote control car and a remote control panel and a battery. Okay, which will be fixed in to this remote control. Yeah. Now we are using 9V battery. Testing for you. Okay, on this button. Okay. And for the remote control for the car, you need one, two, three, four, five AA battery as well. These are not included. Okay, let's put back and on the button. Now you see, wow, the door is like a wing, open, very stylish. Okay, now we try to control it. Let's see. Okay, up, down, up. Okay, good. Okay, control. Now we ask a friend to help us to control. Let's see. Up, and right, up, and right. Okay, reverse. Left. Up. Left. There's also a light. What happened here? So good. So nice. We hope you will enjoy it. Press the button, friend, please. You see? Okay. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. Soon you will receive it. You are packing now. Yeah.